Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Mazda CX-5 wiper blades. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked and the ignition is completely off. Next, gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it clicks into its upright service position. This prevents it from snapping back. As a safety measure, place a thick towel or a piece of cardboard on your windshield directly under the wiper arm. This protects the glass if the arm accidentally falls. Now let's detach the old blade. Look closely at where the wiper blade connects to the arm. You'll find a small retaining clip or tab. Press this tab firmly. While holding the tab, slide the wiper blade downwards or away from the J-hook on the arm. Once it's free, carefully unhook the blade from the arm. Be mindful not to let the arm snap back onto the windshield, as this could cause damage. With the old blade removed, it's time for the new one. First, take your new wiper blade and remove any plastic protective covers. Align the new blade with the J-hook on the wiper arm. Slide the blade upwards onto the hook until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked into place. Double-check that the blade is fully seated and the retaining clip is properly engaged to prevent it from detaching during operation. Once the new blade is installed, gently lower the wiper arm back onto the windshield. Do not let it drop forcefully. Before hitting the road, activate your vehicle's washer fluid and test the new wiper blades to ensure they clean the windshield effectively and smoothly. This quick check confirms proper installation and optimal visibility. Remember to check the description below for a link to this fantastic water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your clear view.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.